Tesla is rewriting its entire US supply chain, reportedly asking suppliers to stop using China-made parts for American vehicles. The Wall Street Journal reports Tesla has told its suppliers to remove all China-made components, and the deadline is just 12 to 24 months. The scale is staggering. Tesla relies on more than 400 Chinese Tier 1 suppliers, with over 60 supporting global output. Chinese auto parts exports to the US hit $17.1 billion in 2024, and Tesla alone accounted for around 11% of that. And the dependency runs deep. Around 40% of Tesla's battery material suppliers are located in China. So why now? The pandemic and tariff changes showed the risk of relying on China. Export controls on chips, rare earths, and battery materials added pressure. And President Trump's push to use American products has forced the shift. Reuters reports Tesla has been moving sourcing to North America for 2 years. The trend is clear. Tesla's China-made sales fell 9.9% in October to 61,497 units. Meanwhile, Shanghai's Model 3 and Model Y output dropped 32.3% from September. But decoupling comes at a steep price. Moving sourcing out of China could add $1,750 to $2,300 per vehicle just for battery parts. Tesla admits alternative sourcing will take time to scale up. Losing China's cost advantage means higher prices and possible delays for American buyers. All of this comes as US-China trade tensions escalate. On and off tariff threats and fears of supply shortages are making auto companies rethink their dependence on China. Tesla is now trying to secure its future supply chain. But will this gamble pay off or drive customers away? Do you think Tesla's China decoupling is a smart strategic move or a costly mistake that will hurt consumers? Share your view below.